Welcome students to Gokhale Education Society's e-learning program 2020. Myself Mr. Prakash D. Chauhan from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College, Ozar Township. So friends, today I am going to teach you subject Geography of Standard 9th English Medium. Last time we have learned the first lesson of Geography, that is distributional maps. Now today we will learn the second lesson, that is endogenetic movements. So friends, let's begin the lesson endogenetic movements. You can see in the picture about the news item Nepal devastated and big tremors. You can see such type of natural calamities like earthquake and volcanoes happen in the world. Here the magnitude of the earthquake was 7.9 Richter scale. The most affected country by that earthquake was Nepal, India and Bangladesh. The epicenter of the earthquake was located at Lamjung, around 80 kilometers northwest of Kathmandu. The other affected areas are China, Bhutan, Pakistan and Bangladesh. The focus of the earthquake was located at a shallow depth of 11 km. You can see the life and property was damaged in that earthquake. The movements in the interior of the earth could be the reason behind the earthquake. Friends, have you experienced a similar type of earthquake in your life? If then you can discuss with your friends. Friends, various natural events occur on the earth from time to time, such as floods, storms, snowfall, extreme rainfall. Similarly, because of the movements below the earth's surface, natural events like earthquake and volcanic eruption occur. For the organism living on the earth, these events are disaster because there is a loss of life as well as the property because of the natural calamities. So friends, let's learn the endogenetic, that is internal movements of the earth. Friends, let's try this activity. Arrange your notebooks on each other with chalk, duster, sharpener, eraser on them as shown in the figure. After the arrangement, friends, quickly take out a notebook without affecting the others according to the figure shown in 2.2b. Observe what happens and discuss in the class. Now, as shown in the figure 2.3b, give a slight push to this structure and observe what happens. Now friends, let's learn the geographical explanation. Earthquake and volcanoes occur because of the instability in the interior of the earth. This instability is created due to the movements occurring in the earth's interior. Friends, as you know, normally the movements in the earth's interior occur in the upper layer of the mantle. Sometimes tremendous energy is released by the radioactive materials in the mantle, and these energy waves travel from one place to another, due to which instability is caused in the mantle. The movements are classified on the basis of their velocity, direction and the landforms they produce as shown in the table. Friends, as you can see in the table, basis of classification and the movements, these are the two columns. As per the velocity, slow movements and sudden movements occur. As per the direction, horizontal movements and upward downward movements occur. On the basis of landforms, continent building movements and mountain building movements occur in the earth's interior. Now friends, let's learn about the slow movements. Friends, as you know, the effect of slow movements can be seen in the form of formation of mountains and continents on the earth's crust. Friends, in the figure of the Earth's movement and their effects, you can see that due to the pressure on the Earth's crust, movements are generated and folds are formed as shown in this diagram. Friends, let's learn and try this activity. Take a 30 centimeter long paper strip. Place your hands on both the ends of the strip. Now move both the hands towards each other, giving pressure on the strip. Observe what happens to the strip. You can see as shown in the figure, you will experience the compression when you move both the hands towards each other, giving the pressure on the strip. Suddenly, the middle part of the strip will go upward, causing the compression. In this way, friends, pressure was given on the center of the strip from both the ends. As a result, the strip moves and folds are formed. Similarly, due to the pressure on the Earth's crust, movements are generated and folds are formed. Now friends, let's learn about the fold mountains. Friends, energy is transferred from the interior of the Earth. Because of these energy waves and pressure working towards each other and in horizontal direction, the layers of the soft rocks form folds. As a result, the surface of the earth gets uplifted and fold mountains are formed. You can see that the Himalayas, the Aravallis, the Rockies, and the Andes and the Alps, these are the examples of fold mountains. Now friends, let's try this activity. Take a long strip of thin paper. Hold one end of the paper in your right hand and hold the other end in your left hand. Pull both the ends away from each other. Observe what happens to the paper strip. In this way, friends, you can observe that the paper gives way in the center. Tension is created when you pull both the ends away from each other. Similarly, when movements occur in the opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and faults are formed in the Earth's crust. This causes tension on the layers of the rocks, which leads to formation of the fractures in the rocks, and these fractures are called as faults. Now friends, let's learn about the block mountains. Friends, due to energy waves moving away from each other and in a horizontal way, the tension on the layers of rocks increases and it leads to the formation of fractures, and these fractures are called as faults in rocks. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form faults due to compression. When a part of the Earth's crust in between the two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. Such a landform is known as the block mountains. Block mountains are flat topped with steep slopes and no peaks in the early stages. We can see in the world Black Forest Mountains in Europe and the Meghalaya Plateau of India are the example of block mountains. Now friends, let's try this activity. Take a 3 notebooks of the same size, hold them on tightly on a table keeping a distance of 2 to 3 centimeter. Remove the 2 notebooks on each end away from the center one. Observe what happens. Now friends, let's learn the geographical explanation. When horizontal movements on the Earth's surface act in opposite direction, it causes tension on the rocks in the Earth's crust. When this tension increases, fractures develop in the rocks. This leads to the formation of faults. Consequently, rocks on both the ends slides and the continuity in the layers of rocks is not found. Now friends, let's learn about the rift valleys. Sometimes two fractures develop side by side in the Earth's crust. The land in between the two fractures subsides to form a steep-sided Rift Valley as seen in this figure. Both the slopes of a Rift Valley are steep. You can see the Rift Valley of River Narmada in India, the Great Rift Valley of Africa, and the Rhine River Rift Valley of Europe are the examples of rift valleys.